Hello, welcome back to another video. My name is Chidera. In case you're coming across this channel for the first time, you're welcome. Please consider subscribing and do not forget to click on that bell notification so that you always get notified each time I upload a new video. And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much guys for subscribing to this channel. You're highly welcome to this beautiful and amazing family. To my old subscribers, thank you so much guys for always coming back. Okay, so guys, today we are making porridge plantain. You are going to love this. You are going to love this guys. So without wasting much time, let me just go ahead now to introduce the ingredients for this recipe. Do not forget to like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's get started. So guys, these are all I'll be using. I have my meat here. This is my marinated meat, beef. I'm using beef. And here is my crayfish. Here is my mackerel fish. This fried mackerel fish. I've already deboned it. So this is my pepper mix. In here I have tomatoes, pepper, long red chili pepper, ginger and onions and garlic all blended together. And then I have my plantain. I'm using the unripe plantain here. You can use the ripe plantain, okay, if that is what you want. So I'm going to start now by washing and then slicing and cutting my plantain. So guys, I've already washed the plantain. I'm going to be cutting it now. This is the size I'm going for. You can cut it to any size of your choice, okay, but this is the size I'll be going for this plantain porridge. So I'm going to go ahead now to cut my remaining plantain. Hope you have liked and subscribed to the channel. So guys, this is my plantain. I'm done cutting it. I shredded some that will form my porridge. So this is it. I'm going to start now by heating up my oil in a dried pot. Now that the oil is hot, I'll be going in with my marinated beef. I'm just going to stir fry this for some time. So guys, I'm going to be removing this beef now, and then we'll continue cooking our porridge. If you have watched up to now and you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like, and leave your comment for me in the comment section, okay? So I'll be going in with my pepper mix. And I'm going to stir this, and I'll allow this pepper to fry. So now that our pepper is ready, our pepper mix is fried, I'll be going in with my seasoning cube. I'm using the ordinary Maggi star, just Maggi star. I'll be adding in my crayfish. And then I'll go in with my beef. I chopped it into sizable bites. I'm going to mix this now. Then I'll add in my plantain. I'm going to mix everything now to properly combine. I'll be going in with water now. I'll add in salt. I'll go in with palm oil. The palm oil is optional, okay? If you don't want, you can just leave it. I will mix everything together to marry each other very well. I will cover now, and I'll allow this to cook. So guys, I'll be going in now with my mackerel fish. And then I'll add in my pumpkin leaf. Sorry, I didn't introduce that part. I'm using pumpkin leaf. I'll be going in with my pumpkin leaf now. So I'm going to mix all of this together. There's no need to cook your meal further. Okay, once you add in your vegetable, just turn and bring down because it's going to overcook. Don't cook it further. Okay, I'm just going to mix this properly just to combine everything together. And guys, this is what we have. Our plantain porridge is ready. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying out this recipe. Okay, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to this channel. Also share this video. All right, and this is what we have. Our porridge plantain is ready. See here, this plantain came out so yummy, so good. This is not your regular plantain porridge. I want you to try it out. Try it and come and give me your feedback. Thank you so much for watching, and until I come your way next time, please stay safe. Bye.